Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive Mexico toy sales report on Power BI using Mexico toy sales dataset which I downloaded from Marman Analytics website. In this dashboard, the key insights include sales versus profit over time using line and stacked column chart, profit by product, profit by store using clustered bar chart, and sales by store location using line chart, and four cards to display sales, cost, units sold, profit, and four slices to filter based on store location, store name, product category, and year. Let us first start with store location. If it's airport, this it is airport commercial downtown. For store, I'd like to filter based on first three stores. Yes, and for product category as well, games, sports and outdoors, toys. Here we can see on first quarter the sum of sales is 65,934. You can see the sales based on quarters and profit by store on mom and toys Cambridge. On first store we can see the sum of profit is 63,033 and profit by product. The first product is action figure and the sum of profit is 18,279.76, and here you can see the profit for 1,34,476. Total units sold 37,029. Cost as well as sale. If to filter for 2023, same. Here it works, and this is how my dashboard works. Thank you.